I'm Katy Perry, and this is your Stock Twits update. Amazon, Roblox, Ford, e.l.f. Beauty. Who is on top and who's about to have a worse weekend than Drake? Let's get into it. Amazon dropping after weak revenue guidance. Amazon's Q4 earnings were pretty solid, but its $151 billion to $155.5 billion forecast missed the $158.5 billion consensus. And at the low end, this would be Amazon's slowest revenue growth ever. Slowest revenue growth ever. Amazon's pointing the finger at currency headwinds, but they're also dropping $104 billion on AI investments this year. Over on StockTwits, the sentiment is mixed. And it's not a game for Roblox. They tanked 17% pre-market after Q4 bookings and key user metrics trailed expectations. Daily active users rose 19% year over year, but bookings growth slowed, and shockingly, the company is still losing money. And if you're wondering if anyone over the age of 30 has actually used this platform, based on StockTwits sentiment, bearish at 24 out of 100, the answer is probably no. Shares clawed back some losses, closing down 11% after finding support. Ford slipped 7% despite beating on revenue and EPS. Retail traders, though, they're still bullish, hyping a move above $10 per share. But the automaker's cautious 2025 outlook, first quarter break-even guidance, and $5.5 billion in projected EV losses have some investors hitting the brake. For context, that's a cool $37K loss per vehicle in Q4. But hey, as CEO Jim Farley puts it, it's about the long game. Philip Morris lit up with a 10% gain after strong earnings guidance overshadowed a mixed Q4. You guessed it, Zyn sales continue to grow, proving that if you're not gambling your paycheck on options, you're probably hitting a nicotine pouch, potentially right now. Good job, guys. The free advertising on C-SPAN from RFK Jr. probably didn't hurt either, but hey, I heard they're organic. e.l.f. Beauty cratering over 20% after slashing its annual sales and profit forecast, weakening mass beauty demand, a heavy reliance on China, and Gen Z being quote-unquote distracted by natural disasters and politics were reasons given for the slowdown. Come on, Gen Z, get it together. Friday's pre-market earnings include Canopy Growth, Newell Brands, Plains All American, and of course, SIBO Global Markets, so we'll finally get hard data on just how many of you degens are YOLOing weekly calls. After the market, it is the weekend rip. Dive into the week's market madness with hilariously questionable financial insights from Ben and e.l.f.